Thanks for joining us again as we continue to learn more about the in-mold decorating process. My name is Pat Tully, and I'm a program manager here at DuraTech Industries. It is important to remember that much of the success in any IMD project is the early development of the chosen suppliers and the concurrent development of all materials and processes. In this video, we will focus on the importance of the film choice in a positive outcome for an IMD application. First, it is important to remember that the requirements of the film for an IMD application can be much different than for a standard adhesive back label. For example, due to the heat and pressures of the IMD process, an application may require a more dimensionally stable film to hold any tight tolerance registration requirements. Thickness of the film can be more critical, either thinner to help prevent gate wash or thicker for use with deeper draws. Compared to the first surface decorating options, IMD lends itself well to second surface printing and thus a more durable product. Therefore, UV, chemical, and abrasion-resistant films can play an even greater role in an application. 3D IMD requires the need for preformed inserts that may have even more specialized requirements, such as films that can be consistently formed with predictable graphic distortion. The use of low-stress film versions should be used when graphic registration is critical. If a part is 3D and requires a hard coating, the film choices become limited, as can the amount of draw in the design. As mentioned earlier, the depth of draw may require the use of thicker films. For example, part geometries with greater than ½ inch of draw would generally require at least a 15 mm insert. Parts with over an inch of draw will most likely need a 20 mm product. Following are some of the more commonly used film types for IMD, with brief benefits or limitations for each. Polycarbonate. PC has excellent formability, is stocked in a variety of finishes, textures, and hard coats, and is available in multiple thicknesses. Acrylic has improved UV resistance over PC and is up to a 2H pencil hardness. Polyester has excellent chemical resistance, but has limited formability and is not available in gauges greater than 10 mm. Blends and laminates are also available. These products provide the best of both products, the most common being PC PET and acrylic capped PC. Finally, there are some lower standard, in some instances non-graphic grade materials used that can help provide a lower cost to the project. Examples of these include polypropylene, copolyester, and PVC. Thank you again for tuning in. I hope you can join us again as we continue to discuss the films used for IMD and consider how the design can affect the material needed and the cost of a program. See you then.